When you lift a Mitsubishi Montero, there's a brake valve that needs to be adjusted. The load-sensing proportioning valve distributes brake fluid to the rear brakes based on how much mass is in the truck. More mass in the truck will lower the ride height, and the valve is designed to redistribute brake pressure accordingly. If this valve is not adjusted properly, you may notice some weird smells from your rear wheels, or alternatively, your front brakes may be wearing out faster than normal. The valve is mounted to the frame, just above the rear axle. The lever arm is connected to the axle by a spring. As the load increases, the frame is lowered and the arm moves out, allowing increased brake fluid pressure. If the spring is too tight, your rear wheels will apply too much pressure, and if the spring is too loose, they won't apply enough. I noticed a faint smell of hot brakes from the rear wheels, which prompted my investigation. The proportioning valve was completely maxed out for whatever reason, so I placed it somewhere in the middle. After a 20-minute test drive with normal and hard braking, there was no rear lockup and the smell went away. Hopefully this helps you diagnose any issues you may have on your Mitsubishi.